is going on, guys? Today we are headed to Electrify Expo in DC. This is my first expo ever, right? I've never been to Electrify Expo, never been to a Comic-Con, whatever. I've never been to an expo, period. So I'm excited to check this one out. It's my first one. I'm expecting to see a lot of bikes, a lot of cars, a lot of scooters, a lot of PEVs, and then some whatever else is out there. I'm really excited. I'm bringing my girlfriend and my friend Mario from the birthday group ride. I'll leave that link somewhere up here, wherever it ends up being. I never remember. It's hot, I'm sweating, I'm glowing. So let me crank up this AC, start this drive, and let's get going. Make sure you guys like the video, drop a comment down below, your favorite part, and subscribe. Let's go.
Live like Jackie and Rose, had the water been warmer. Like a Bonnie and Clyde down in California, fall in love on the run. Trying to make it to Cabo, Romeo with a blunt, Juliet with a bottle. Baby, I'm looking for reasons to call it a lie, but if the water was
This thing is a beast.
All right, so I'm pretty used to e-bikes, but this is the first one for me. So how does this one work exactly? Oh.
Okay, so throttle is right here, or throttle is right here.
Twist throttle. Okay.
Right now it is off, so if I turn it on, I'm gonna have a little kick. Actually, hold on. So just to hold on real quick. So.
Okay.
Slowly twist it.
Yep.
Sorry, the heat's getting to me right now. Brakes are gonna be right here.
Yep.
And pedal assist, right now it's at 0.
Okay.
If you wanted to push this higher, push it all the way up, or all the way, or whatever you want. If you want it off, it'll be at 0.
Okay.
So I'm gonna leave this at 1 for now.
Got it.
And that's all.
Okay.
I'm gonna have my hand behind you, so if it's unsafe, I'll do it.
Gotcha.
You're free to go.
All right.
So we got the whole like GoPro vlog.
Someone noticed that I had a GoPro vlog set up here. Oh, the throttle is out. They're not letting me hit the... Oh, wait. No, it's off. I think it's off. Oh, no, it's going. It's picking up. It's still going. I feel like this could go way faster, but they probably just have it limited. But yeah, for my first expo, this is actually pretty nice. What I definitely want to do is the high speed course. This is like all class 1 and 2 bikes. You know, maybe 48, maybe 52 volt setups. Nothing crazy. Yeah, I'm capped at 12 miles an hour. I do like the look of this bike. It has like skin wall tires. It has like a black and burgundy. I think this is the Addmotor Sultan, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like if you guys ride this bike, this brand, Addmotor, or Addmotors, excuse me, you'll know for sure. Yeah, they got me capped. They got me capped at 12, 13 miles an hour. I'm out here trying to go faster. Yeah, I need to hit that high powered. You hit that high powered course. Oh.
How was it?
It feels comfortable.
So usually you can have another rider in the back.
Yep.
But we also have a backrest that you can order separately, so one person doesn't go flying.
Got it. Yeah. No, it makes sense. I like the look. She got over her fear.
I know, let's go to the supers now. We're gonna move up to the big ones now. Come on.
Yeah, that was slow. But
And that's the rear brake and the front brake.
Got it. And it's a full throttle?
Well, just remember it's electric, man. Don't be full throttling up.
No, I got it.
Snap. You're good.
But
Wait till he comes around. I'll let you go out.
yeah.
Your kickstand's down. Does it say ready on the screen?
It doesn't say anything.
It parks. There you go.
Ready. All right.
Go ahead.
Whoa. Okay. Nice little 20. Nice little 20 around the bend. Hit mode 3. Whoa. Very torquey. Get some more torque. Okay. Feels nice and smooth. Not too shabby.
Yeah, no, unfortunately it really shines like that 25, 30 all the way up to 55.
Yeah, but there's not enough. Yeah, I mean, I've seen, I was telling the guy at the other booth, or right here, I've seen like these chopper style electric vehicles all over the internet, but I've never tried one. So, you know, this is like the first time I've gotten to try one, and it feels real smooth, real.
This is Gen 2.
Uh-huh.
This is Gen 2, so the first one you probably would have seen that's been around since like 18, 19 is basically Gen 1. It looks kind of similar to that.
Yeah, those are what I've seen.
Right. So this is the newest version of that, I guess you could say.
Mm-hmm.
These ones have obviously got a lot more power, but unfortunately, again, the way the track's set up, you can never really see. I know.
Oh, yeah. Let's try and get back on the course.
Once you go faster than 3 miles an hour, the physics of the board will take over and it'll self-balance.
Okay.
So you won't have to worry about that at that point. At this lower speed, you have to maneuver it, but once you get going, it'll stay there.
I think I got it. Okay.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, this is a little tricky. Okay. Whew. Oh, this is so tricky. This is so cool, but so tricky. Just the stability up. Do a bit of a wide turn here. Oh, I think I got it. Oh. Oh. That was pretty cool.
Much work.
Hold it up. Show the camera. That is sick. Every Surron needs this now.